Are you an RV enthusiast looking to elevate your kitchen experience while tired of struggling for space? Discover our magnetic knife holder with 3 mounting options. First, the fridge mount. Simply remove the holder from the box, place it directly onto your fridge, and secure it with the provided EVA patches, protecting your fridge's surface. Next, the double-sided VHB 3M tape. Peel off the backing, apply the tape to the back of the holder, and firmly press it onto any smooth surface. Whether it's your backsplash, cabinet, or pantry wall, this tape provides a secure hold without the need for drilling. Finally, the wall mount option with provided mounting hardware. Use the provided drill template to mark and drill precise holes on your desired wall space. Then, attach the holder securely using the preset mounting openings on the back of the knife holder. This option offers a permanent and stylish solution for showcasing your knives. With these 3 mounting options, you have the flexibility to choose the perfect setup for your kitchen. Upgrade your RV kitchen today with our magnetic knife holder.